Good morning, guys. Welcome back to a special vlog. It's my birthday today and we're doing something a little different. We're talking about an app for your Jeep. And you guys are like, say what? An app for your Jeep? Yes, an app for your Jeep. And it is by far one of the best I've ever run into. Let's take a look. Alright guys, so this is for an iPhone, so it's an iPhone app. Once you open your app store, there it is. Alright, so it's called Smitty Bilt Clinometer. We open that up. Take a look at that. I think every Jeeper should have this. Now, this is for like $1.30 Canadian. I mean, you got this little section right over here where set your vehicle up and your phone holder up where you're all balanced out. You hit OK and it just makes sure that, you know, everything's all balanced out here. All right, you got this other option over here for GPS or compass. I have it on compass. All right, there's like a lot of cool things about this. All right, you can also view this in landscape or portrait mode. Okay, you have your sounds, and then right in the tools here you got a bunch of stuff. So I mean, this is the military Jeep that they call it. All right, you got your FJ Cruiser, Land Rover, monster truck, Ford Bronco, Jeep Wrangler JK, Toyota Tacoma. All right, let's just say we wanted the Jeep Wrangler JK. Select. All right, and then there it is. We can also change the color of the vehicle. So, you know, you want it red. Well, you can also mix and match, but you know, you can totally play around with all the RGB colors. And yeah, so then there's that. You can change the scale, colors, background colors. I got like a plastic look to match with the dashboard right now. All right, but you can do like a whole bunch of stuff here, and it actually shows you the preview as you choose these. It's pretty cool. Keep the plastic one. You got your compass settings, you got your other options. All right, look at that, and then you can just hit the done. So now there's our JK, and now let's give it a test. We'll drive around, see how it looks. I think this is just fantastic when you're off-roading or you're just cruising around the city. The best part is it doesn't use your data. Another great app that I wanted to share with you. All right, and what's good about this one right over here is, like, let's say you recalibrate your speedometer, right? Because you've just changed your tire size. This will tell you your true speed that you're traveling at through satellite. And then you can then check this with your Jeep speedometer to see if it actually matches. And this is a perfect test. Instead of having like a buddy ride next to you reading out your speed, this is an awesome app, and best part is it's free. All right guys, and that is what I wanted to share with you. Something awesome that I believe every one of you guys should have.